Yes, my presentation is about producing monoclonal antibodies with high affinity and very good physicochemical properties that allow for very effective development in humans. The antibody industry is becoming a mature industry. We've had a number of successes, and now there's always a competition between antibodies and small molecules. And it'll be interesting to see where antibodies can go in terms of tackling those molecules, those targets that small molecules tackle. So can we really get antibodies into cells, for example? Can we start to target some of the intracellular targets? That would be very exciting. And then people are beginning to look at the safety of monoclonal antibodies. Monoclonal antibodies are very safe. Can they be combined with small molecule drugs to make even more effective treatments? I think it's really looking at the progress, the excitement, the innovation. Antibodies, the people who work on antibodies have proved to be very innovative. This field has moved forward extremely rapidly. And we really, although we can guess, we don't quite know how far we can go. Well, the biggest challenge is using antibody engineering to make products is really the cost of goods. Antibodies and protein therapeutics are very expensive, and healthcare costs are in everybody's minds today. So the challenge for us engineers is how can we make antibodies cheaper, as well as being more effective. Well, the opportunities lie, of course, in scale-up production, but maybe also in those properties of antibodies. How do we keep them in the body for longer? They're already in the body for a long time. How do we keep them there longer and keep them active for longer so we can reduce the frequency of dosing as well as reducing the dose that's given, and therefore the cost of making the material? Well, I think somebody who should come to next year's event, they should come because the field is still continuing to move really quickly. Although it's becoming a mature field, progress is still very fast. So if you came this year, it's going to be different next year.